What are vertebrates? Vertebrates are animals with an internal skeleton made of bone. Vertebrates are the most advanced organisms on Earth. The traits that make all of the animals in this section special are their spinal cords, vertebrae, and notochords. Where do vertebrates live? Each living thing lives in a habitat. A habitat provides the food, temperature, and living space that each animal needs. There are many kinds of habitats. For example, a fish may live in part of a sunken ship, or a toucan may have a nest in a tree. What do vertebrates need? Vertebrates have basic needs. They need air, water, and food. They can survive only in environments in which their needs can be met. All vertebrates depend on plants. Some vertebrates eat only plants for food, while other vertebrates eat only animals. However, some vertebrates eat both plants and animals. The three categories are carnivores, herbivores, and omnivores. Why are vertebrates important to the environment? Every vertebrate belongs to a community. They can be members of several different food chains, which make up a food web. Changes in a community or an environment cause changes in the food chains and food webs too. You are a member of your community. The way you live your life makes a big difference to many other living things. What are the 5 main vertebrate groups? First off, there are fish. Fish live in water and are the simplest vertebrate group. The 3 groups of fish are the jawless fish, cartilage fish, and bony fish. Fish are cold-blooded, have scales, gills, and a heart with 2 chambers. Most fish have fins. The second group are amphibians. Amphibians live part of their life in water and part on land. They are cold-blooded, have moist skin, no scales, and most young breathe with gills and live in the water. They change into adults gradually, which is known as metamorphosis, and breathe with lungs. The third group are reptiles. Reptiles live mainly on land and are more complex than fish or amphibians. Reptiles are cold-blooded, have dry, scaly skin. Most have 2 pairs of legs with 5 toes on each leg, excluding snakes. The fourth group are birds. Birds are vertebrates with feathers and wings, and they are warm-blooded. Birds have wings, built nests in which to lay hard-shelled eggs in, and they care for their young until they can find food and survive on their own. Finally, the last group of vertebrates are mammals. Mammals are the most complex group of vertebrates. They have body coverings of hair or fur, are warm-blooded, have more complex brains than other vertebrates, and more complex body systems. What are other types of vertebrates? Marsupials, primates, rodents, cetaceans, and seals.